Okay, so this is basically a car phone holder where you can use it like a GPS for navigation. When you want to use your phone like a GPS or a navigation, you want to hold it on your car dash, then you can use this. Basically, you know, we already have a dash, but it continues to fall after a few days. Once its suction becomes like very weak, right? So with this thing, now this has a very unique thing where it takes the support of the front panel, right? So this works well. We also have a small connector which gets connected to the air vents. But the air vents are so inside that our phone does not really reach it. So with this thing though, it has a lot of advantages where it has extra support of the dash, and you can also rotate it in any direction. So you can make it horizontal or vertical without removing it, and you can do this very easily. So I'm going to open this and show you how it looks, and then I'm going to show you how to connect it to your dash. Okay, so there are two main parts, right? One is this one and then other is this one. This is very stretchy but tight, and basically this is where you're going to connect your phone. And then you have this kind of thing. This is going to go on the dash. And notice it's a very thick spring. And it also has this nice pad. That way you do not damage your dash in any way. You can also remove it easily. And then you can also move it up and down, and it stays locked in any position that you want. It's 180 degrees. So you can really choose the direction you like. But you want to usually keep it like in this direction. So next I'm going to what you need to do is you need to unlock this here, right? You need to put this here inside, and then you need to plug it in. Notice how I plugged it in, and now you need to tighten it. So to summarize, right, remove this from here, put this inside, and now tighten it, right? That way it does not get loose. Okay, and now you can rotate it in any direction you want, but you don't need to worry about that right now. Next we are going to connect this to the dash. So let me show that to you. Okay, so now for the next purpose of this video, right, I just moved it up completely so that I have enough, you know, maneuverability. Now in my case this thing is smaller, so I'm going to connect it here because there is not a lot of more maneuverability. And notice how this thing is now connected, right? Now basically I can put the phone here. Now I'm going to connect this, and notice I have connected this and how it slides, and then I can easily rotate it and turn it 180 degrees if I want to, and I can also change the direction whichever way I like. So completely up to me, and very simple and easy to use. And the lock is extremely tight, so you're not worried about it falling down in any way. So simple to use and simple to connect, and you're not really worried about suction and all of those things, which can get bad after a few days, right? So here it will like always be thing. The spring is very tight though. So definitely recommend, you know, like really happy with it. Okay, thank you.